Hey Groomers, Tyler here with Tool Time Thursday. I don't know. But anyway, I notice a lot of people don't understand the difference between a P1 and P2 screwdriver. And if you have an Andis clipper or even the wall KM cordless, you need a P1 screwdriver to do some regular maintenance tips. So this is a P1 and this is a P2. This is your normal everyday one that you probably have laying in your junk drawer or whatnot in your kitchen. And this one you need in your toolbox for grooming, and this one as well. This one will be for Andis hinges, and this one will be for the KM cordless body or the Andis blade drives. So make sure you get one of these so you're not camming out the heads. People also call it stripping. Stripping is when you strip out the threads. Camming is when you screw up the actual head of the Phillips. The P stands for Phillips. You might also see it called PH or PZ. It's all the same thing. I'll include a link to Amazon or something so you guys can find it. All right, bye.